Greetings, Professor P and class. I am Ashley Maui Lopez, and I selected Tuckman's theory of group development as my midterm topic because collaboration is a crucial component of every organization's goals and metrics. I was intrigued to learn about the fundamentals of group development and what makes group work successful. Now, let's begin by sharing what I learned. Bruce Tuckman was a psychologist, educator, and researcher. Tuckman developed the theory in 1965, and this initial model determined 4 stages that every team can go through, which are the forming stage, storming stage, the norming stage, and the performing stage. The model soon rose to popularity, and Tuckman pursued more research on the model. In 1977, Tuckman and Marianne Jensen revised the model to include a 5th stage of a journey. The Tuckman model explains how team dynamics work, including everything from the initial stage to disbanding of the team later. This model is helpful for management to know how they can manage their team through the various stages. Let's now dive into the 5 stages of group development and get to know the specifics of each stage. Forming is the first initial stage of the Tuckman model. In this stage, the team has just been formed, and the team members and team leader are becoming acquainted. This stage is crucial because this is where the team dynamics are formed. Think of it as employees testing out the waters. The manager and the team are establishing ground rules on how the team will function. Storming is the second stage, determining whether the team will become stronger or go separate ways. Team members can no longer hide the personalities or habits. This is when strengths and weaknesses rise to the surface, creating friction in the team, and the team leader must react and talk about the team's problems openly. If the team leader doesn't do that, the team is at significant risk of falling apart before becoming productive. If the team survives the storm, they enter the norming stage. This is when team members reform team dynamics damaged in the storm. The team member focuses on the goals and objectives, and the team follows the lead of learning how to work together. Performing is the 4th stage, where every single team member goes into full productive mode. They play off each other's strengths from already knowing how to work together. The team leader becomes more of a coach, providing emotional support. This is the stage that will provide the biggest return on investment for the team and the entire organization. The final stage of Tuckman's model is the journey stage. This stage is about the professional, personal, and career payoff for all the hard work put in. The leader will then reward the team for their efforts. Some critical points to note are that it's common for these stages to occur in order, but it is also possible for the team to get stuck in a particular stage or even return to an earlier stage. The duration of a stage isn't fixed and depends on team dynamics, team size, and leadership. The project leader must have a good understanding of team dynamics in order to effectively move the team members through all stages. Okay, I'm sure you're thinking, why is Tuckman's theory of group development important? Well, with the model being 58 years old, it remains highly relevant, and management should take notice of which stage their team is at and act accordingly. A team leader will be better positioned to support their team, empower them, and promote healthy team dynamics. This results in less micromanaging, shared leadership, and much higher productivity. Here are the references I used for my presentation. Lastly, thank you. I appreciate you listening and learning along with me on Tuckman's theory of group development. Hopefully, you have gained some knowledge about my theory and think about applying it to your next group project. Thank you, and fight on.